Hello, I'm Carl Barkemeyer, a criminal defense attorney that defends clients charged with prostitution in all areas of Louisiana. In this video series, I'm going to discuss the laws and penalties of the most frequently charged prostitution laws in Louisiana, including prostitution, soliciting for prostitutes, prostitution by massage, promoting prostitution, and pandering. In this video, let's take a look at the prostitution statute under Revised Statute 1482. It is a pretty general law that encompasses what is commonly known as sex for money. By definition, prostitution is the practice by a person of indiscriminate sexual intercourse with others for compensation. Also, it is the solicitation by one person of another with the intent to engage in indiscriminate sexual intercourse with the latter for compensation. Sexual intercourse means anal, oral, or vaginal sexual intercourse. As you can see, prostitution includes either having sex for money or offering sex to someone in exchange for money. Let's look at the penalties for prostitution in Louisiana. Prostitution can either be a misdemeanor or a felony. On first conviction, the court shall order a fine of not more than $500 or imprisonment for not more than 6 months or both. The second conviction within 5 years becomes a felony. The sentencing range is not less than $250 nor more than $2,000, or be imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 2 years or both. So the more convictions you have, the worse it gets. Prior convictions in other states would be considered by the prosecutor in determining to charge as a felony. On a third and subsequent conviction, the offender shall be imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 4 years and shall be fined not less than $500 nor more than $4,000. It gets even more serious if a minor is involved. If the prostitution involves a minor, the defendant could be looking at a minimum of 15 to 25 years in prison. If the offense occurred as a result of a solicitation by the offender while the offender was located on a public road or a sidewalk, the court shall sentence the offender to imprisonment for a minimum of 90 days. The judge could suspend that 90 days and place the defendant on probation instead of doing 90 days jail time, only if they agree the defendant will do 240 hours of litter abatement as a condition of probation. That's a lot. So the law has made the penalties for hitting the track worse than using Craigslist or other internet sites to get business. As you can see, prostitution charges are taken very seriously by prosecutors and judges in Louisiana. I've been defending clients with prostitution charges for over 15 years. I know how to protect their rights and get the best outcome possible in these types of cases. So feel free to give me a call if you have a charge.